Hello everyone, and welcome back to a refreshing intermediate practice. So let's jump right into it. We're gonna start at the back of the mat kneeling and just take 3 centering, grounding deep breaths. Try and release some stress. Try and find a nice, tall, supportive posture and just relax every piece of your body with those deeper inhales and longer exhales. Nice. After about 3 breaths, come on forwards to your tabletop and let's get moving. We're going to round through the back today, so really press those shoulder blades away from one another and tuck the pelvis under. Come up onto the tiptoes. Exhale, hips up to downward dog. We're going to do that a few times so you get used to that different feeling of a plank. Come forward, round through the back, and exhale, hips up. Inhale, roll it forward. Exhale, hips up. Good. Link your breath. Inhale forwards. Exhale, hips up. Nice. Inhale forwards. Last one. Exhale, hips up. Nice. Find that deeper hamstring stretch. And then from here, bring the feet about mat width distance apart in your downward dog. Heels try and reach for the floor. Now inhale, right foot steps on the outside of the right hand. If you're struggling here, grab that right ankle and pull it onto the outside of the hands. Then inhale, right arm up, exhale, right hand down, and step the right foot back. Then right hand reaches towards the left ankle. We'll do this a couple times so you get the hang of it. Left foot steps forward, inhale, left arm up, exhale, left hand down, step back on that same exhale, and left hand reaches for the right foot. Come back to center. All right, we're gonna speed it up and change it up a bit. Let's step that right foot forward, right arm up, back, down, and step the right foot back to downward dog. This time straight away, other side, left leg to the outside of the left hand, left arm up, back, down, and head back to downward dog. Now we're gonna tap the ankles, left hand to right ankle, and right hand to left ankle. Okay, 2 more times. Right leg steps forward, right arm up, right foot back, left leg forward, left arm up and back, down, downward dog, and tap the ankles. Okay, 1 more time. Right foot forward, right arm up and back, down, and step back, downward dog. Last side, left leg forward, left arm up, back, down, head to downward dog, and tap those ankles. Nice. Take 2 deep breaths. Good. Next inhale, walk it forward, halfway lift. Exhale to fold and get deep into those hamstrings. If you haven't done yoga for a while, this will feel super good. Then add a couple nods into the head. And some shakes back and forth just to release some tension in the neck. Inhale, lift all the way up, and we'll start some sun salutations. Exhale, hands to the chest. Inhale, maybe find a back bend, so reach the arms up. Exhale to fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, walk it back to your plank, round through the spine again. Then 90 degrees in the elbows, low plank, chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog or cobra. Listen to your back here. And exhale, downward dog. Good, take a breath. Next, inhale, walk forward, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift all the way up, mountain pose. Exhale, hands to the chest. Inhale, reach up, maybe find a slightly deeper back bend if your back feels ready. Exhale to fold, inhale halfway, exhale walk back, find that lifted plank, then lower into your low plank, inhale upward dog or cobra, and exhale downward dog. Let's keep that movement going, keep the heat building. Inhale to your halfway lift, exhale to fold, inhale lift all the way up, exhale hands to the chest. Inhale, last big back bend here, maybe a little further. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. And exhale, just walk it straight back to your plank. Bend the elbows. Hold for a little longer on that chaturanga, then inhale, upward dog or cobra. And exhale to downward dog. Good. From here, we're gonna inhale, lift the right leg up. Now there's a couple variations for this next pose. First, start with that open three-legged dog. And then from here, your option 1 is to either come into a normal side plank, stacking the feet or placing one in front of the other. Option 2 is to lift the top right leg into a one-legged side plank, and option 3 is to extend it all the way. Then from here, either step that right foot all the way up or head straight to downward dog and step up as you normally would. Then right arm lifts. On the exhale, fold down over that right leg into your pyramid. Again, a couple of options here. You can try and hold your balance and wrap the arms around the right leg if your hamstrings feel open enough. Or you can take it relaxed, placing the hands on the mat. Or you can go for a higher balance by lifting up and connecting the palms of the chest. Nice. From here, left heel connects to the mat, left arm up. Find your side angle pose. Good. Exhale, left hand to left leg. Inhale, right arm lifts. Exhale, warrior 2. And inhale, arms connect to the ground, lift the left leg up. Exhale, cross the left leg across the right for a bit of a deeper forward fold. Good. Inhale, come back to a normal halfway lift, legs in line. And exhale, step back to plank. Deep breath in. Find your chaturanga. Hold for just a little longer. Inhale. And exhale to your downward dog. All right, we're going to take it to the other side. Take a breath. Remember, option 1 is your side plank. Option 2 is starting in that three-legged dog with the hip open. And then shifting into your side plank with the leg elevated. Option 2 is that knee bent, and option 3 is the full extend. And either shift back to downward dog and step forward as you would normally, or try and step that left leg all the way up. Inhale, left arm up. Next, exhale, fold on down to your pyramid. Either wrap the arms behind the left leg. You can find your elevated pyramid as well with the palms at the chest. Or you can connect both hands to the mat and feel a little bit more supported. Good. Left arm connects to the ground, right arm up, side angle pose. And find reverse warrior. Left arm reaches towards the sky, right hand on that right leg. Next, exhale, come back to warrior 2. Inhale, hands connect to the ground, lift the back leg, halfway lift, and thread that right leg over the left for a deeper forward fold again. Nice. Inhale to a normal halfway lift. Exhale, step back to plank. Lower. Hold that chaturanga for a second. Inhale, upward dog or cobra. And exhale, downward dog. Nice. All right, side plank swaps. So right hand stays connected to the ground. I'd suggest placing one foot in front of the other for this variation. Lift the left arm over and connect it to the mat, other side. Right arm reaches, send those hips as high as you can as you're holding here. Other side. Take it as slow as you need. Really support yourself with that bottom shoulder. Keep it going. If you're feeling confident here, you can try the foot stack. Good. Come back to neutral, connect the elbows to the ground and enter Dolphin Pose. Try and press that chest towards the shins, hips as high as they can go. Support yourself again with the shoulder blades. Good. Exhale, come into child's pose. Give those arms a rest. Option to bring them next to the feet here, just so the shoulders aren't extended. And inhale, roll up to tabletop. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale to step it forward. Inhale, come into your high lunge. Hold nice and strong. Then exhale, left knee down, hands connect on top of that right knee. Then from here, right arm stays on top of the right leg and left arm reaches over, finding a bit of a deeper stretch in the left hip flexors. Good, right arm reaches back for the left foot. Might find a little bit of a hamstring cramp here, but just try and reach for it to stretch out the quad muscle. Good, release the foot. And from here, inhale, we're gonna step it forward. Cross the left leg behind the right as you lift the arms off the mat and connect those palms at the chest, coming into a Shiva squat. Hold strong in that bottom leg. Nice. Place the hands down, step back to downward dog. Inhale, left leg up this time. Exhale to tuck it in, step it forward, and inhale to your lunge on the other side. Good. Next exhale, right knee comes down, hands connect to the top of that left leg. And let's go for a little bit of a deeper side stretch. Right arm lifts over, left arm stays on that left leg. Right hand down, left arm reaches for the back foot, the back right foot. Find your quad stretch. Good, release the foot. Inhale, come back to the middle and try and step it forward. The right leg connects behind the left. And maybe start to float the arms. Find your Shiva squat. Good, hands come down, step it back to downward dog. All right, walk halfway up the mat and try and find a toe balance. So squat down just with the toes connected to the mat here. Try and hover with those knees together and maybe even hug the shins for that compact toe stand. This is tricky, don't worry, just experiment with it. Nice, hands come down onto the mat, lift the hips up, and maybe, if it's within your practice, find a little bit of a crow pose so the knees connect to the triceps and lift the feet up. If you're not here yet, just practice lifting one foot at a time. Good, land back down into a malasana, connect the palms. Elongate the spine and take a long exhale. Good. Sit down on the mat. We're going to take 3 deep breaths to finish. Reach the arms up. Bring the palms to the chest for the exhale. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, palms to the middle. And last one, reach the arms up. Exhale, hands come to the middle. And we'll finish there. Thank you so much for joining me. I really enjoyed making this one. It was a little quick burst of energy. If you liked the video, leave a like, and if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you soon.